Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys a room tour of the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. And this is outside of Paris, Las Vegas, and here's the hallway. Let's go inside and see what the room has to offer. This is a standard 2 queen-size room. When I entered, I noticed the decoration looks pretty hip and modern. I really like the headboard. In between the two beds, there's a lamp, a phone, an alarm, and a remote control for the TV. And I think this is a 44-inch or 55-inch TV. It's pretty big. And it also has a small lounging chair for you to sit on or even take a nap. And the view looks okay, but I think it looks better at night. It also has a vanity table with a lamp, ice bucket, and some cups. Inside the cabinet, there is a safe and a small fridge so you can store anything that you like. Also, I have a small closet that has a iron, some hangers, and an iron board. The restroom is pretty nice too. It has a big mirror and some tissue, some lotion, towels, bath items, and toilet paper. And the shower area is really nice. It's really big and comfortable. And you can also control the AC temperature. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.